Just under an hour to go before flight LH760 to Delhi takes off. The ramp at Frankfurt Airport is a hive of activity as workers load cargo, baggage and in-flight food into a very special aircraft, the new Boeing 747-8. Lufthansa is the first and so far the only airline to operate the new 747-8, the longest passenger aircraft in the world. The new engines are around 15% more fuel efficient than in the predecessor, and they are particularly quiet. The loading of the aircraft is in full swing. After 50 minutes, the aircraft is ready for departure. What then follows never ceases to amaze. 400 tons take off from the runway. Flying at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour, they will reach the Indian capital in only 7 hours.